Hello, scholars. Welcome to Mrs. Shreve's 4th grade math class. Today we're going to review multiplying 2 by 2 digit numbers using the area model method. We need to know how to multiply because it is the easiest way to find the total number of items in equal groups. Multiplication allows you to do repeated addition quickly and efficiently. Please feel free to take notes while following along, just in case you have questions at the end. You can class dojo me or email me and I will assist you further. Welcome back, math class. Today we're going to find the product of 15 times 45 by using the area model. We have learned this previously in the year, so today I'm going to review. We know in order to find the area that area equals length times width. So we know that we need to multiply the length times width and add up the partial products. Let's get started. I'm going to first start with the number 15. My 15 is going to be my length. I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to decompose it by each digit's value. So I have 110, which is 10, 5 ones, which is 5. Now I'm going to decompose my 45, the width, 4 tens, 40, 5 ones, 5. Now I am going to put my vertical line and my horizontal line, and now I'm ready to multiply to find the partial products. I need to find 4 partial products. Then I need to find the sum of the partial products. Let's get started. I'm going to start with each row. I know that this row, the first row is 5, so I'm going to multiply 5 times 40, which will go here, and 5 times 5, which the product will go here. So let's do that. So we know that 5 times 40 is 200. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. Now we're going to find the row for the tens. We need 2 more partial products. I'm going to multiply 110 times 4 tens, which will be 400. Then I'm going to multiply 110 times 5 ones, which is 50. Now we have our 4 partial products. Now I'm going to find the sum of the 4 partial products. I'm going to add 200. And remember to line each digit up by its place value. So my ones are going under the ones, tens under the tens, hundreds under the hundreds. So then I have 25, 50, 400. I'm going to start to my right, and I'm going to add. 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 4, which is 6. So 15 times 45, my product is 675. Now I would like you to do this one with me. We're going to start by writing 17 as my length. I'm going to decompose it by each digit's value, the value of each digit. So I know, how can I decompose 17? That is correct. I have 110, so it will be 10, and I have 7 ones, which will be 7. What do I need to do next? Exactly. I need to take my 24, which will be my width. I need to decompose it by each value of the digit. I have 2 tens and I have 4 what? I'll wait. Exactly, 4 ones. So I'm going to write 2 tens, which is 20, 4 ones, which is what? Exactly, 4. I'm going to draw my lines, vertical and horizontal. Now it is time for me to go ahead and find my 4 partial products. What do I do first? Awesome. I will do each row at a time. So I will have 7 times 20, which is 140. Then I do my 7 to my 4, which is 28. Now I'm going to do my next row. Exactly, you guys. I have 10 times 20, which is 200. And then I have 10 times 4, which is 40. Now I have my 4 partial products. Can anyone tell me what I need to do next? Great. I need to add up all 4 of my partial products. Let's do that. I'll actually give you a couple of seconds to get started before me to see if you can come up with your own sum of your partial products. Okay, let's see if you found the correct sum for these partial products. If you did, make sure you give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, so I have 140 plus 28 plus 200 plus 40. Now I'll line them up by place value. My ones are under the ones, tens are under the tens, hundreds are under the hundreds. And now it's time to finish adding. I have 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0, which is 8. 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus 4, which is 10. And then I have 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2 is what? Exactly, 4. So my sum of my partial product is 408, which means my product of 17 times 24 is 408. Please complete the exit ticket for this lesson on page 500. The attached link for the exit ticket worksheet will be provided under this educational video. After you complete the exit ticket, please post it under your Class Dojo message by attaching a photo or email it to me at cshreve@uplifteducation.org. Stay tuned to Friday's lesson. I will be shouting out scholars who showed their work like math wizards via class story on Class Dojo.